stop using VLOOKUP. There's so many better options out there, but if you have to use VLOOKUP, use it like a pro. Check this out. So we got this cool little table here with some names and attributes, and let's say that I wanted to use a VLOOKUP to retrieve Willie's favorite color. Not a problem. Go equals VLOOKUP, and we are looking up Willie. Where are we going to find Willie? Willie's going to be in this little table here. And I want to find the column reference of 1, 2, 3 for favorite color, right? 3. And we want this to be an exact match. We're going to go false, enter, and there it is. Willie's favorite color is plaid. Perfect. What if I do this drop down to Jimmy? Jimmy's favorite color is periwinkle. Our VLOOKUP is working. But what if I wanted to change and see, I don't know, maybe his nickname? So we're going to go here, hit nickname. This doesn't change. The reason it doesn't change is because go into the formula. This 3 here is a static column reference. That is not good. That does not help us. We want this to be dynamic. How do we do that? Let's add a match. Match. What are we matching? We are matching nickname. Where are we going to find nickname? We're going to find it right here in these column headers. And we want this to be an exact match. We go 0, close print, and equals, boom. Look at that. Nickname, Fall Boy. That looks right. Let's go ahead and change this to city. Boom, Barcelona. We are in business. If you're going to use VLOOKUP, use it like a pro, just like that. Thanks for watching.